Hi guys, good evening. So today is 11th of October 2018. So just enter for the crude market, November contract. So under at $71.89. So this is where I insert my entry, selling, short sell. So at this moment, profiting around $20. So I'm expecting for the price to have a TP around 71. So this is the targeted area. So let's draw something for indication. So this is where I'm expecting for the market to go. Hopefully the price will go smoothly without any problem to this area. So let's wait and see. For the next maybe around 1 hour or 1 hour and a half should be meet the targeted area. So let's wait and see. So at this moment still minus 20 US dollar. So I will resume this video later once it passed through this level. Okay guys, market did some retracement just now, so but now already passed through the my entry level, so it's going through to the downside, so it's a good thing. And I'm actually holding a positive 80 US dollar in profit, keep growing, so the profit keep growing. So this is what I want, and we are expecting for the price to break through this level of the nearest low of around 71.75. So once it breaks through the level, it will go much more faster rate. So this will conclude the entry level. Our short sell entry is a good one, so I'm still targeting around 40 ticks or maybe 50 ticks. Hopefully can get around 70 or 60 ticks for tonight. So let's wait and see. Now price try to move back to the entry level, so we have to wait much more longer. If I know second, we have to wait much more longer until the price break through this 71.75 level. I will stop this video and resume later on once it passed through this level. Okay, we resume again. So market did already passed the first nearest low. Now coming to the second nearest low, which is at 71.63, and hopefully it will not turn back. So at this moment we are profiting around 130 US dollar. So hope for the price to break through this level and go to the direction of TP area. Okay, it looks good now. 150, 140, 150. So keep growing. As long as the profit keep growing, then it looks good for this kind of entry. So I'm still expecting for the price to break through this level, this low here at 71.63, which is to this low. Once it's passed through this level, it will go very fast. So let's wait and see. Hopefully I can capture it live, or maybe I have to resume this video recording in the next few minutes. So since our entry, we have passed around 45 minutes. And this is my TPA targeted area, 71.30, much more earlier, and my stop loss at 72.25. So yep, so the market keep going and going. So now it's 71.70, 170 US dollar, 180 US dollar in profit. Yeah, our benchmark will be 71.63, which is the today's low, which is here. So once the price pass to this level, then have more tendency for the downward movement to 71.30, which is my targeted TP area. This is gonna take some time, so I will resume back this video once the price near the lowest price level of today, which is 71.63. So maybe it will take another few more minutes. It's quite active, looks good. So now the price dangling around at 71.70, 71.69. So we profit 190 US dollar. So we resume back later on. Okay, now past level 71.63. So we have profit around 270, 280. So I'm going to cut my position now. Oh, hang. No, something's wrong. I need to cut my position. Miss 300 US dollar profit. I better exit now. Okay. Something's not right. My internet is very low, so I still have to execute my order. I need to exit from the market because the price tried to reverse back. So let's wait. I have to close my connection for a while. Okay, I already exit the market. So at this moment, I already exit the market. But after I exit the market, go further down. Yeah, what a waste! Such a waste. So, but it's okay. I managed to secure around 200 US dollar in profit. So after all, it's a good entry, and hopefully the price will go back here. If the price go back here, then I have more chance to go in the market one more time. So thank you for watching. So let's wait. Let's see about see my CQG, because I immediately liquidate my position. So I'm not sure how much again I took. Wow, now the market keep going down. It's 200 more. Sometimes it's raining in my area, so the internet connection is not really in a good condition. So that's why security platform is quite heavy to do it. So but still you can see that the price move nicely to the targeted area. I always miss this kind of chance. I always close far too early. Now we have around what 400 US dollar profit. Okay, we back in. Still taking time to loading, like dinosaur. Okay, so far the market. Oh, I missed the chance. I missed the chance. It's 50 ticks, 500 ticks since my entry here. It is my entry 71.89. So I should wait. Okay, but it's okay. I think that's all for tonight. Since my security also cannot open, but still I'm in the profit situation. Okay, guess we stop now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.